We've been looking for a partner like Mezze for many years now. So when we first heard about Mezze and started working with them, we found that it was the right partner for us.
We are always looking of how we can implement software within our business to make it easier for our customers. Mezze offers exactly that. Mezze has had a huge impact on our business, not just within the customer service team, but also in our operations teams, our planning teams, and our delivery teams.
It's about that customer experience. It's about us providing and being, I like to look at it as Simply Lunch being an extension of our customers' business.
Some of my highlights through the last 2 years are opening up our 2 distribution depots, one in South London and then one up in the Midlands in Birmingham.
So we launched Plant Powered at the beginning of 2022. This was a really exciting launch for the business to bring to market a plant powered carbon neutral range to the Simply Lunch customer base was a really proud moment actually. We launched Plant Powered into EasyJet and yeah, we're extremely excited about the start of the partnership with them.
Mezze is a B2B ordering and customer service platform specifically designed for the food manufacturing industry. Our mission is to revolutionise how the food manufacturing industry operates. Mezze's tools have allowed Simply Lunch to save time, free up resources and generate revenue.
There's no hiding that employing people is more and more expensive. Automation and digitalisation is not about reducing headcount or trying to use less people. I really do believe that it's about using people in a much more empowering way. So we wanted to find efficiencies and that's exactly what Mezze has done for us.
Mezze removes the need to receive and input orders manually. Our intelligent process management makes self-service quick and intuitive for your customers.
So manual input of orders is difficult, and attention to detail around inputting thousands of orders a day can be very, very challenging. I think what we can do around automating the customer journey is really helping our people on the ground and within the office focus on other high value tasks around the business. So Mezze's helped us enormously. I think it's had a significant impact. I think from a customer journey and a customer experience point of view, we're getting a lot of good feedback from customers about the platform.
Our background is in B2C software products, and we saw a need to bring that level of quality and user experience into this industry.
The onboarding of the Mezze platform was extremely easy. You don't need lots of training in how to use the software, and that's thanks to its interface. It's really simple, really easy to use. They advised us what we needed, what we didn't need, but also they knew our industry, what I think was really important. The Mezze guys and girls were extremely helpful.
I think all the processing manually will be a thing of the past in probably 5 years, let's say. There's so much smarter ways now to take tasks like that. I also really want to see where Simply Lunch can work on wastage, for example, because food waste is a huge problem across the world. There's so much data that we're starting to build up now within the platform that we will be able to start using this in really creative and innovative ways in the future to drive a big problem we have within the industry, which is food waste.
We're actually really pleased about the incredible growth that we've seen on the Mezze platform, but particularly about the success that Simply Lunch have seen through this partnership.
It's the very beginning of the relationship, but a relationship that we hope that will grow very strong as the years progress. And yeah, we're really excited about the future.